Hello and welcome to my world. My name is Oliver. I'm a German living in Switzerland, and today I would like to show you the difference between just buying a battery from Sony for the ZV-1 and buying the battery and charger kit. So actually the charger kit is not really a charger. If you think about it, it's a piece of battery. There we go. And it's a case. So this case you basically just slide open. You put the battery inside. There's the pin inside, so that's super simple. Close the case and you use the micro USB, and then you can charge your batteries. So you don't have to do that just having the battery in the phone. Yes, and it still makes sense to have another battery in spare. Here we go. Let's get rid of this here. Spare battery, always good. So my experience is like 1 hour, maybe even a little less, I get on battery life out of my ZV-1. And my peer Alex was telling me basically, hey, you need to get more batteries. He is thinking the power tracks are pretty nice. I'm living in Switzerland. Everything from Amazon to Switzerland is a pain. That's why I went with a Sony, and like the thinkmedia YouTube channel was proposing, get this charging case. Even if you have like 1-2 batteries from a third party, probably it's a good call to get this small case. It's super nice, super handy, you can use it all the way, and the size is, if you compare it to the battery, that's nothing. So that's really nice. Looking forward to use that on the go, because I already had the scenario that yeah, my battery was dying on me, and guess what? No spare batteries available, and maybe, as I know me, sometimes it could be that this one is empty, the one in the camera is empty, and this is gonna be my savior. So that's all from my side for the short review of this Sony charger. For everyone of you who wants to know how it's called, because it takes a little time to find it, it's the ACC-TRD-CX. That's the way it looks like, that's what you have to go for, and that's all from my side. Tidied it up. Have a great day and see you next time.